Welcome again to another training session with Dayo Adesloye. Today we'll be looking at the latest opportunity in Nigeria now for our youths. And the opportunity is called Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. It's an initiative of the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports Development funded by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So today we are going to look at all the information we need to know about this opportunity and how our youths can apply for this opportunity. I want you to let you know that it is an opportunity that you can access up to 3 million naira credit facility with 5% interest rate for over 5 years. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you need to do it right now because you will have opportunity for you to get updates from this training. Like this first teaching on this opportunity is the first one, and we'll be uploading subsequent ones. So to get instant notification of our trainees on accessing grants, loan, and investment opportunity and business opportunity as well, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's look at the details of this opportunity. It is a loan with 5% interest rate for 5 years. So Nigeria Youth Investment Fund access up to 3 million credit facility dedicated to investing in the innovative ideas, skills, and talent of Nigerian youths, aim at turning them into entrepreneurs, wealth creators, and employer of labor. So I want to really show us all the things we need to know about this opportunity, and that's the essence of this presentation. Now, if we look at this, the Nigeria Youth Investment Fund was set up as an initiative of the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport Development, FMYSD, and funded by the Central Bank of Nigeria to invest in youth's ideas to build sustainable businesses that can activate enterprise and increase job opportunities in Nigeria. The fund is dedicated to investing in the innovative ideas, skills, and talent of Nigerian youths, aimed at turning them into entrepreneurs, wealth creators, employers of labor, and contributing to national development. The plan targets young people between the age of 18 and 35 years and details the needed action required to support business establishment, expansion, and consequent employment creation for youth and in critical economic and social sector. So I'm taking us through this so that we can begin to have an idea of the kind of businesses they would like to support. So what is the objective of this scheme? Number one objective is that they will give you access, improve access to finance for youth and youth-owned enterprise for national development. Training, boost the managerial capacity of the youth and develop their potential to become the future large corporate organization. Employment, generate much more employment that is needed for this country. So that is the objective of the scheme. So who is eligible? Who is eligible? This is very important. Number one, individuals with the age bracket of 18 to 35 years old. So if you are not up to 18 years, you cannot apply. And if you are above 35 years, you cannot apply. So it's only limited to people within the age of 18 to 35 years. and you must have a valid BVN and means of identification. Valid BVN and means of identification. Then provision of business plan summary or completed questionnaire. So you will have opportunity to present your business plan. And you know that in my organization, the Adetuloye Business Hub, our core strength is in business plan writing. So you can always call us. You will receive my contact at the end of this video to request for your business plan. Entrepreneurship training certification from FMYSD Entrepreneurship Development Institute. Now, there are entrepreneurship development institutes that you will be trained through this process. So this is the eligibility criteria for individuals and non-registered businesses. And if you're in this category, you can access up to 250,000 naira as loan, and you are going to pay back. It's not free. This is not free money. Who is eligible? Let's look at other eligibility. If you are registered business, you can access up to 3 million. So former business enterprise, youth-owned enterprises, duly registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Then if you are not registered with CAC, my organization can help you with CAC registration. But also there is a government program that you can register for free your CAC registration. So if you check this YouTube channel, you will see one of the videos I did on Survivor Fund. Watch that video, you get more details there. So I have a valid bank verification number, uh, provision of tax certification number, then your entrepreneurship training. Now, these are eligibility criteria. So how does it work? Number one, submit an application. Once you submit an application, eligible applicants submit application successfully on NMFB portal. And this is the Microfinance Bank of Government through the CBN. They call them NISA. That's their website, and I will show us the website to apply for this opportunity soon. Then get trained. After you have submitted your application, applicants to attend the compulsory entrepreneurship training in an approved Federal Ministry of Youth and Development training. So you need to go for training. So after the training, what next? You apply for the loan. Once you apply for the loan, then successful trained prospective applicants proceed to NISA Microfinance Bank. That's the Microfinance Bank of the government through the CBN. They go to their portal to apply for the loan. Afterwards, the next step is approval. The NMFB conduct loan assessment in line with risk assessment criteria and approval guideline, and make appropriate decision and forward recommended applications to CBN for final approval. And this step 5 will be the disbursement. The CBN review your application and give final approval to disburse your money. So let's proceed and look at the frequently asked question for this opportunity. One thing I always encourage people to do, anything you want to involve yourself, you need to study it very well. You must be able to ask yourself question: is this loan for me? Is it for my business? Do I need it now? Is it a good opportunity for me? Number one, what is the interest rate? Most people apply for a loan, they don't know their interest rate. For example, Agnes's loan is 9%. This youth investment is 5%. The interest rate under the intervention is 5% per annum, all inclusive. How long is the loan for? Term loan has a maximum tenure of no more than 5 years. So if you collect 3 million naira now, you can hold it for the next 5 years. How much can I access? Individual and non-registered businesses can access 250,000, while registered businesses can access up to 3 million naira. So, is there a moratorium? At least 1 year moratorium. So, for the next 1 year, you will not pay any money. After the next 1 year, you will start paying. So, how much can I access? Like we said, individual 250,000, corporate 3 million. Can someone currently enjoying any CBN intervention fund access this loan? No, you cannot access this facility except previous CBN intervention loan has been fully paid. So if you are currently on any CBN intervention loan and you have not paid back, sorry, you cannot access this 5% loan. And I know that most of those previous loans, they are minimum of 9%. But this is an opportunity for us to maximize. So let's continue with this. Do I need a collateral to access this loan? This is a very valid question to ask, and this is the answer: no. But all asset purchase under the scheme must be registered with the National Collateral Registry (NCR) and also the Global Standing Instruction (GSI) mandate will be activated to ensure full repayment by loan obligor. Now, this is what it means. When they give you 3 million, it's not all the 3 million you use for working capital. So you are going to use some of them to buy machines. And I encourage SMEs that really want to buy machines for their businesses to expand. Then this is the kind of loan you should look at. So who is eligible to apply? Like we said the other time, people between 18 and 35 years of age. So if you are above 35 years of age, you cannot access this opportunity. If your wife is still within the age range, you can partner with your wife and get the loan, but you cannot use your own name once you are above 35 years of age. Where can I get trained? So the nearest EDI close to you, the after your application, they will show you where to go for your training. So let's look at more frequently asked question. Can NISA Microfinance Bank approve EDI's training application for this program? No. The NISA Microfinance Bank approved Entrepreneurship Development Institute are not eligible to train any applicant under the scheme except they are listed by the FMYSD. So some of you that you have been trained by the EDI of NISA Microfinance Bank and you have not received the Agnes's loan, sorry, you can't use your certificate for this opportunity, except if the EDI that trained you, they are also certified by FMYSD. So do I need a bank verification number to apply? Yes, a valid bank verification number is required. What means of identification do I need? Any means of identification such as voter's card, driver's license, national ID card, NIN slip, international passport, they are all okay. The next one, does my business or enterprise need to be domiciled in Nigeria? Yes, the business enterprise must be domiciled and operational in Nigeria. So these are the things we need to look at. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to do it right now. is very important to us. That's the reason why we are asking you to do that. If you look at our subscribe button that I'm showing you now, then this is where you will click at the below this video and subscribe. Once you subscribe, then you'll be able to receive updates from us so that each time we release any video like this, then you will be able to receive it first and foremost. So I am going to take us through another more detailed information about this program. This first part of this video is to show us everything about this program so that you can make a decision if you should take it or not. And if you are already currently in any government loan, you will not be able to take it. Your BVN will fetch you out. So let's look at Nigerian Youth Investment Fund product program. So I've taken us through it, but this is another document that I want us to look at it together. So the first thing is the product name. The product name. Um, the product name is CBN 75 billion Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. This money is a lot of money, 75 billion. So I believe the loan will go around our youth very well. But at the same time, I'm asking myself, if you want to start a business now, is the loan the best option for you for starting? Of course, if you want to buy machines and all that, is a good loan you can get. But if your business has nothing to do with machines and you are more of service based, don't go and get loan to rent. Don't go and get loan to rent. If you are selling, you can get loan to get your stock, but ensure that you get consultant like us to work with you when you receive the money, or else to pay back the money may be very difficult. So the business unit is Credit Headquarter. The date, it was released this October 2020. The product name is CBN NYIF. The product description. This product is designed to improve access to finance for youth and youth-owned enterprise for national development. It's youth-focused, so you have to accept that. Target market, the fund is targeted to financially empower Nigeria youth to generate at least 500,000 jobs in the country between 2020 to 2023. So those documentation requirement are training certificate from approved EDI, approved FMYSD EDI, evidence of registration with Corporate Affairs Commission. So you need to be serious with your CSC registration. In fact, I will encourage you to call us now so that we can start the process for you. Don't wait for the free one the government wants to do for you. You don't know if it's next year they will do it. So call us. You will see my contact at the end of this video. Call us. We'll help you with your CSC registration as fast as possible. Within 2 to 3 weeks, it will be ready. Valid bank verification number, that's BVN, evidence of local government indigent certificate, duly completed application form, copy of birth certificate, valid tax identification number, summary of the business plan and questionnaire, valid means of identification, and automated 2-year bank statement analysis. So all these are what they are going to look at. So let's move on to this. The global limit is 12.5 billion. The facility type is term loan. The single obligor limit. So for individuals that are not registered businesses, 250,000 is yours. For registered business, either business name limited, corporate society, or commodity association, up to 3 million naira. The loan tenure, maximum of 5 years. Moratorium, maximum of 12 months. So security features. Execution of letter set-off required to activate the Global Standard Instruction, GSI. I talked about it the other time. Execution of offer letter, execution of letter of domiciliation of sales proceed with applicable. Credit life and asset insurance. Now, all these, there are security features for this opportunity. So let's look at eligibility again, like I've taken us through. You have to be 18 to 35 years of age. Some of us are already above this age limit. So this one is not for you. You can only partner with your wife or with your sisters to access this. So when you partner with them, they be part of it. But because it's loan, this is very tricky. It's not grant. So before you can even partner with people, you have to really know what you are doing before you can go ahead and do it. Ineligibility. So there are some people automatic disqualification for them. Number one is that beneficiaries of NMFB loans, such as targeted credit facility, agribusiness, small and medium um enterprise, MSC, AXMESIs, that remain unpaid are not eligible to apply. So if you have this loan and you have not paid it, you cannot apply. Beneficiaries of other government loan scheme that remain unpaid are not eligible. So you have to take note of this as you want to apply. So let's look at other things, other business activity required. Now, eligible activities and businesses. So these are the kind of businesses they really want to fund. Technology, stroke innovation, agriculture, and their related value chain, green economy and renewable energy, manufacturing, hospitality, construction, logistics and supply chain, healthcare value chain, creative sector, trading and services, and other as may be determined by Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports Development and CBN from time to time. So these are things that we should note of. Terms and conditions, they are also here. Acquired immovable and movable collateral option shall be registered under National Collateral Registry, like we said the other time, and the execution of offer letter, execution of GIS mandate, and all that. Now, loan amount must match loan repayment and loan purpose. So you must know the reason why you want to get this loan. By standard, there's one of our mentors that used to tell us that it is when you have money that you should take a loan, not when you are looking for money. When you have money, so that you'll be able to pay back and have good credit history. Pricing, 5% interest per annum. Then repayment structure. Repayment will be an installment basis in line with the business. So all these are what we should take note in this opportunity. So now it's time for us to look at how to apply. So I want you to copy this link so that you can use this link to apply. / nyif.nmfb.com.ng. This is the application link to apply. Nigeria Youth Investment Fund. Now, in my second part of this video, I will be doing a live presentation for us. The video is already getting long than necessary, so I will break it at this point, and I want you to look for the next video, for the next video on this YouTube channel. And that's the reason why I say you should ensure that you subscribe to this channel. So once you click that link, it will bring you here where you will have opportunity to put your name, your middle name, your first name, your last name, which is your surname, your BVN. And look at this. Immediately you are applying for this opportunity, they're asking you for your BVN. They want to screen you out immediately. They want to know if you are already on one loan or the other. And that's the reason why it's important for us to be able to ensure that you are not owing anybody before you apply for this opportunity. So you want to ask who has been teaching us since morning. My name is Dayo Adekloe, and I have this awesome profile. In 2018, I'm the Executive Director of the Adekloe Empowerment and Development Initiative. In 2018, I'm part of the RSC Online Quote 9. In 2017, I'm part of the Inspire Africa Train the Trainer Entrepreneurship Development Program. In 2016, I'm a fellow of Tony Elmelu Foundation. In 2016, I started the Adesloye Business Hub. And in 2015, I'm part of the top 50 innovative entrepreneurs, BET5 by Diamond Bank and EDC. So I'm an alumnus of the Enterprise Development Center of the Lagos Business School. So more about me. I'm a serial entrepreneur, international business planning and development consultant. I'm a speaker, I'm a trainer, I'm an author, I'm a blogger, I'm a network marketing professional. So this year, I've had the opportunity to have some certification from SMEDAN. I have opportunity to also go for a special executive master's program in the UK. I had opportunity to be a mentor for Teach for Nigeria, and I also had a contract work that I completed in 2019 as SME business trainer and coaching advisor with GIZ. So that's that about me. So I want you to subscribe as I round up now to this channel if you have not subscribed. So you can hire me for your next program. Here are my details. You can call me or WhatsApp me on this number 08060779290. You can check my website diadiclay.com. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Facebook. Then you can send me a mail. At the same time, you can call me. So I will, once you call me, just say you are from YouTube, you are part of my YouTube subscriber, and you would like to ask me questions based on any of these opportunity that we share on this YouTube channel. So I believe so much that this opportunity is for the young person there that needs money to start your business. So look out for the second part of this video. This is part one. Look out for the part two, where I will go live and show us how to apply for this opportunity so that you will not make any mistake in your application process. Thank you for listening to me. See you and keep safe and keep succeeding.